Dear students, today I am going to teach you the spectral shift. Okay, spectral means spectrum and shift means the changes in the values. Okay, the values will either increases or it may be decreases. Now in that the first one is bathochromic shift or bathochromic effect. Okay, chromic means color. Okay, so here the lambda max of the any compound is shifted either towards the higher side. Okay, so we know that the visible light is start from violet color to the red color. So the red color have the high wavelength or large wavelength, whereas the violet color has lower wavelength or the less wavelength. Okay, so bathochromic shift, in bathochromic shift the lambda max is shifted towards the higher value, means more value. It means that it will shift towards the red side or red value. Okay, that's why this bathochromic shift, it is also known as the red shift. Okay, now we will see the definition of bathochromic shift. The shift of an absorption maximum. Okay, this we also can written as a lambda max. It is a lambda max. Now students, you already know that what do you mean by lambda max. So I will repeat here. The lambda max is nothing but lambda means wavelength and max means maximum absorption. Okay, so if we allow a drug solution, okay, to pass the electromagnetic radiation, then that particular drug molecule will absorb, okay, different wavelength, but in that different wavelength, one wavelength will be absorbed by large number of molecules and different wavelength will be absorbed by somewhat smaller number of molecules. So the wavelength which is absorbed by a very large number of molecules, it is called as the lambda max, because it was absorbed by very large number of molecules. If you see in a graphical form, then I will draw here the graph. Suppose this is the graph, x axis and y axis. Now in the x axis the wavelength is there and on the y axis the absorbance is there. Okay, so this is absorbance and on the wavelength there is a x axis, there is a wavelength. Okay, now if you draw the spectrum or graph of spectrum, then we will come to know that initially there is a constant absorbance or the zero absorbance, but this absorbance slowly increases and it will reach to the topmost position where the absorption is highest, then it will come down slowly and become constant. Okay, so this is the a sample pattern of any drug which absorb the ultraviolet or visible radiation. So this maximum point, okay, this is called as the lambda max. So simply we can say that any wavelength which was absorbed by a large number of molecules given drug, in a given drug, it is called as the lambda max. Okay, so here the definition, come to this definition. Okay, the shift of an absorption maximum, okay, means lambda max, okay, to a longer means towards the red side. Okay, towards the red side, longer wavelength due to presence of an oxochrome. So in previous lecture we have discussed the role of oxochromes. Oxo means aid or help, chrome means color. Here the color means wavelength. Okay, so the chemical groups which help in the increase in the wavelength of the radiation, this is called as the oxochromes, or ऐसे groups जो किसी ड्रग में अटैच करते हैं या उसको बॉन्ड फॉर्म करते हैं, तो वो ग्रुप उस पेरेंट ड्रग का जो लैम्ब्डा मैक्स है उसको हायर वैल्यूज की साइड में शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. ओके, वी विल सी इन एग्जांपल. ओके, और सॉल्वेंट इफेक्ट. ओके, इट मे आल्सो बी ड्यू टू सॉल्वेंट इफेक्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द बैथोक्रोमिक शिफ्ट और रेड शिफ्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल सी बेंजीन. बेंजीन का क्या स्ट्रक्चर है? बेंजीन हैविंग द this structure. This is benzene 6-membered ring. It shows the lambda max of 256 nanometer. Okay, so benzene has the lambda max of 256 nanometer. Whereas aniline, what is aniline? Aniline means here we have to add one amino group at any one position. This is the aniline compound. So here in aniline we have added the amino group, and this amino group act as a oxochrome, shows the lambda max at 280 nanometer. Okay, so what happened here? Just we have added one oxochrome group to the ring, then the lambda max is shifted from 256 to 280 nanometer. Okay, so this shifting is called as the bathochromic shift. Now, similarly, a bathochromic shift of n to pi asterisk band is observed in carbonyl compound on decreasing solvent polarity. Okay, example, lambda max of acetone is 264.5 nanometer in water as compared to 279 nanometer in hexane. Okay, so if we change the polarity of the solvent, okay, then also the lambda max may also be shifted. So your example is acetone. Okay, lambda max of acetone is 264.5 in water. Okay, अगर वाटर का मिक्सचर है, वाटर एंड एसीटोन का मिक्सचर अगर है, तो उसका जो वेवलेंथ लैम्ब्डा मैक्स है वो 264 है. बट वही एसीटोन को अगर हम ऐड करते हैं हेक्सेन के अंदर, ओके, दैट विल शो द लैम्ब्डा मैक्स ऑफ 279 नैनोमीटर. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अबाउट द बैथोक्रोमिक शिफ्ट. ओके, now we will see in the diagrammatic. Okay, so this is the diagram where we easily understand the concept of bathochromic shift and hypsochromic shift. Okay, so this is the typical spectrum of any compound. Okay, typical spectrum of any compound. Now this is the lambda max. This point is what? This is lambda max. Okay, now if this lambda max is shifted, now this side is the red side, this is the red, and here is the violet. Okay, now this is the increasing of the wavelength, and on the left side the wavelength is decreasing. Okay, so this, if this lambda max is shifting towards, okay, red side, then this is called as the bathochromic shift. Okay, now opposite of this, इसका जो opposite रहेगा वो रहेगा hypsochromic shift. Okay, in hypsochromic shift what happen? The lambda max is shifted towards the violet color or lower wavelength side. Okay, lower the wavelength side. This is called as the hypsochromic shift. And there are two more terms. One is the hyperchromic and second is the hypochromic. Sorry. Okay, hyper means नॉर्मल से ज़्यादा, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज हाइपर, एंड हाइपो मीन्स नॉर्मल से कम, विच इज नोन एज दी हाइपो. ओके, सो हाइपो और हाइपर में डिफरेंस क्या है कि हाइपर में जो है नॉर्मल से ज़्यादा रहता है और हाइपो में नॉर्मल से कम रहता है. तो दिस इज द हाइपो एंड दिस वन इज द हाइपर. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी, सॉरी, this already I have explained what do you mean by hypsochromic shift. As we will have the look, the shift of an absorption maximum to a shorter wavelength is called as the hypsochromic shift. Okay, मैं आपको दिखाया वहाँ पर कि अगर लैम्ब्डा मैक्स जो है पीछे की साइड में शिफ्ट होता है, पीछे मीन्स डिक्रीजिंग वेवलेंथ. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द वायलेट और ब्लू कलर. ठीक है, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द हिप्सोक्रोमिक शिफ्ट और ब्लू शिफ्ट. ओके, दिस इज कॉज्ड बाय रिमूवल ऑफ कॉन्जुगेशन. अगर हम किसी कंपाउंड में से कॉन्जुगेशन निकाल लेते हैं, कॉन्जुगेशन मीन्स अल्टरनेट डबल बॉन्ड. ठीक है, सपोज दिस इज द compound. Now this double bond, this single bond and this double bond. So this is the double bond. Okay, this is single bond. ये single bond है, ये double bond है, फिर ये double bond आ गया, ये single bond आ गया, ये double bond. So this system or this pattern is called as the conjugation pattern. Okay. Now if we remove the conjugation, then automatically the lambda max will shift towards the blue side. Okay, and change in the solvent polarity. Okay, this also occur due to the change in the solvent polarity. Okay, for example, aniline shows lambda max of 280 nanometer. Okay, previously we have seen the structure of aniline, whereas anilinum, okay, anilinum ion in acidic solution of aniline, it shows 254 nanometer. Okay, 254 nanometer. This hypsochromic shift is due to the removal of n2 pi asterisk conjugation of the lone pair of electrons of the nitrogen atom of aniline with n bonded system of the benzene ring on protonation, because the protonated aniline has no lone pair of electrons for conjugation. Similarly, there is a hypsochromic shift of 10 to 20 nanometer in lambda max of pi to pi asterisk bands of the carbonyl compounds on going from ethanol solvent to the hexane solvent. Okay, so this is the hypsochromic shift. Okay, that we have discussed. Okay, it is easy. This is easy. Now the next definition or next term is the hyperchromic shift. Hyper means increase in the absorption. Okay, here hyper means normal से ज़्यादा and chromic means color. So here we will take the meaning of chrome as a absorbance or the Emax. Okay, absorption coefficient. Okay, so an effect which leads to increase in the absorption intensity. Okay, see here the word is absorption intensity, whereas in bathochromic shift the shift in the lambda max was there, but here lambda max is not concerned. Here we concerned about the absorption intensity, or we can say that absorption coefficient or absorption intensity. Okay, so this is written as a Emax. इसको हम लिखते हैं as a Emax. This is E and max. Okay, just like a lambda max, it is written as a Emax. The introduction of an oxychrome usually causes hyperchromic shift. Okay, if you add some oxychromic group in any compound, then definitely it will move the lambda max toward the right side or red side. In the same way, it also increase the absorption intensity also. Okay, so for example, benzene shows B band at 256 nanometer, जिसका जो Emax है वो 200 है, whereas aniline shows B band at 280 nanometer. Okay, so here bathochromic shift is occur 256 to 280 nanometer. In the same way, okay, Emax also increases from 200 to 1430. Okay, this much amount is increases. Okay, so the increase in 1230 in the value of Emax of aniline compared to the benzene is due to hyperchromic effect of a oxychrome, that is a amino group. Okay, so amino group जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो amino group बेंजीन का जो lambda max है उसको तो शिफ्ट करेगा ही, साथ में जो absorption intensity है उसको भी वो इंक्रीज कर देगा. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द हाइपरक्रोमिक इफेक्ट. ओके, हाइपर मीन्स नॉर्मल से ज्यादा, तो हाइपरक्रोमिक इफेक्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट, ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द हाइपोक्रोमिक, अपोजिट ऑफ द हाइपरक्रोमिक इफेक्ट. जो इफेक्ट हाइपरक्रोमिक का था उसका अपोजिट रहेगा हाइपोक्रोमिक. हाइपर मीन्स नॉर्मल से कम. ओके, मीन्स लेस देन द नॉर्मल. So an effect which leads to decrease, okay, here the word is decrease is there, in the absorption intensity, that is Emax, is called as the hypochromic effect. This is caused by introduction of a group which distort the chromophore. यानी कि कोई स्ट्रक्चर है, ओके, और स्ट्रक्चर में क्रोमोफोर ग्रुप है, सो क्रोमोफोर ग्रुप की वजह से हमें उसका एब्जॉर्प्शन मिलेगा, बट हमने एक ऐसा ग्रुप उसमें इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, जो उस क्रोमोफोरिक ग्रुप को ब्रेक कर दे रहा है या डिस्टॉर्ट कर दे रहा है, ठीक है। तो इन दिस केस द लैम्ब्डा मैक्स विल आल्सो शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स द ब्लू साइड, ओके। लैम्ब्डा मैक्स भी क्या हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा, और साथ में उसका जो एब्जॉर्प्शन इंटेंसिटी वो भी कम हो जाएगा, ठीक है। एग्जांपल बाइफिनाइल, बाइफिनाइल शोज लैम्ब्डा मैक्स ऑफ 252 नैनोमीटर and Emax is 19,000, whereas 2,2 डाइमिथिल बाइफिनाइल, ओके। हमने क्या किया, बाइफिनाइल के अंदर 2 मिथिल ग्रुप ऐड किया है ना, 2 पोजीशन के ऊपर। सो 2,2 डाइमिथिल बाइफिनाइल शोज, तो लैम्ब्डा मैक्स क्या हुआ यहाँ पर, इंक्रीज हुआ है 270 नैनोमीटर, whereas Emax is डिक्रीजेस, जबकि जो इंटेंसिटी है वो 19,000 से डिक्रीज होकर कहाँ पर आ गया, 800 के ऊपर, ओके। सो देयर इज ए डिक्रीज इन द 18,200 वैल्यू, Emax वैल्यू ऑफ, ओके, इज ड्यू टू हाइपोक्रोमिक इफेक्ट ऑफ द मिथिल ग्रुप which distort the chromophore by forcing the ring out of coplanarity, resulting in the loss of conjugation, okay। loss of conjugation means ring को क्या करता है वो, coplanarity मतलब प्लेन में से हटा देता है उसको, ठीक है। जो रिंग है, रिंग का जो प्लेन को चेंज कर लेता है, प्लेन चेंज करने की वजह से कॉन्जुगेशन क्या हो जाएगा, वो लॉस हो जाएगा, एंड कॉन्जुगेशन लॉस होने से उसका इंटेंसिटी कम हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो इस तरह से हम लोग देखा हमने कि हाइपोक्रोमिक शिफ्ट क्या होता है, हाइपरक्रोमिक शिफ्ट क्या होता है, बैथोक्रोमिक शिफ्ट क्या होता है, और हिप्सोक्रोमिक शिफ्ट क्या होता है। तो दिस 4 दे आर कॉल्ड एज द स्पेक्ट्रल शिफ्ट, ओके। Is this, if you have any doubt, then you can write in a comment box, okay. So I will try to explain in more, okay. Thank you.